Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde, and this is like next devlog where we created a world for player using tile maps and created mechanics to load the next level, and if the player falls from the platform, then it would like reload the same level. So that was the update, and this is the output. I used a tile palette to tile maps and created this level. Yes, simple level, and player can play it. Okay. And then the level 2 is like just an empty level that would be loaded, and here the player bottom detected. So if like player falls and collides with this object, then it would reload the same level. Okay, and I think that is